So welcome back to our channel 1-2 Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can delete your Bitget app. So guys, if you no longer use your Bitget Wallet app and you want to delete it in your iOS device, then this video is for you. So guys, just go ahead and find your Bitget app in your app library. So it is right over here. So just go ahead and long press it. And once you do so, you'll find the option that says delete app right at the bottom. Just go ahead and tap there. And once you select delete, you would be able to delete your Bitget wallet account. But guys, if you want to use a different method, you can also do that. Just go ahead and tap on settings over here. And now scroll down till you find apps. It's right at the bottom. So just go ahead and tap there. And now you can find Bitget Wallet under the alphabet B. Tap there. And you can also delete your app through there. Or if you want to use a different method, just go ahead and tap on general. Tap on iPhone storage and now search for Bitget. Go ahead and tap there and now you can find the option that says offload app and delete app. So guys, if you want to keep all your data but want to delete the app to save storage, then just go ahead and offload the app. But if you want to directly delete the app and all related data, then just go ahead and tap on delete app, tap on delete again, and you will successfully be able to delete your Bitget Wallet app. Guys, that's how you delete your Bitget Wallet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.